Hi Dream Homers! Kamusta po kayo? Samahan niyo ako ngayon sa mabilis na house tour dito sa isang property in Mahabang Parang, Angono, Rizal. Malapit lang po ito sa boundary ng Antipolo and Angono. As you can see, it's a modern, fully furnished house. Meron itong 2-car park. So itong area na to, this will be your service area. Covered na rin, no? Half covered na rin po yung kanyang roofing. And then, this will be your backyard, spacious garden. So, meron na rin siyang lanay. And covered na rin po ito. And yung flooring dun sa part ng lanay is may tiles na. Very functional yung layout ng bahay. This door will be your access going to your kitchen and dining. And let's check inside the house using this main door. It's a huge main door and modern na rin yung kanyang door lock system. And this will be your area for your TV. And of course, your kitchen and dining area. So, lahat ng nakikita nyong furnitures, inclusive na siya sa price nitong property. And meron ditong sliding door, access going to your backyard. Yan, so very nice, no? Lilipat na lang kayo. And ang kagandahan dito sa ground floor, meron siyang isang room. If you're with your elderly, parents, and meron din siyang isang toilet and bath. So, let's check sa second floor. Sa second floor, meron tayong 3 bedrooms. So, this will be your family area or reading area, no? This will be the common toilet and bath for the 2 bedrooms. Your first bedroom dito sa second floor. So, ayan, nakaset up siya for 2 beds. For your chikiting, and meron na rin siyang built-in cabinet. So, very functional yung design ng cabinet, no? A lot of partition. And let's check the second bedroom. So, this will be the second bedroom dito sa second floor. So, nakaset up yung a double size of bed, and ang kagandahan dito, meron din siyang balcony. So, this will be sa harap ng bahay nyo. Of course, may building ka. This will be your master bedroom. So, double size of bed, and merong itong sariling toilet and bath. Very modern yung design. And you have your ample space of your balcony. You can set up a coffee table, living area, habang tinitingnan nyo yung nature surroundings nyo inside the subdivision.